Hey guys, what's up? Blair here with Interstellar Happenings, your source for universal news and mysteries, and wait till you see the video I have for you guys today coming from Korea. Now, the poster of this video said it was near a military base and wanted to know what people's thoughts were, which range from positively a UFO to drones and a light show. But what I see here when I watch this video doesn't look like anything I have ever seen at any drone show. These also typically get called out as lanterns or flares, but what I want you to do is go ahead and watch this video, develop your own opinion, because what happens before our eyes is nothing less than astonishing.
뭐야 저거? 뭐지?
We are first greeted with the sight of two orange orbs, a common yet intriguing occurrence in the world of UFO sightings. Many times they are explainable. However, what happens next defies explanation. One of the orbs appears to quickly teleport, shooting a short distance away before what looks like releasing what appears to be a smaller flashing orb. Or it could be something else. Now, could this just be a drone magic trick? Maybe. That's what I need you guys for, because as this begins to move towards the second orb, some insane fuckery happens. The orb dims, disappears, and then somehow seems to teleport again. This time much further away, reappearing near the other orb. As soon as the one orb illuminates itself again, the other orb mimics that action, moving to the other side of the orb. That's a lot of orbs. This trippy display showcases what appears to be at least one of the 5 observables associated with UFOs. The ability to teleport, which I am not 100% sure that's actually on the list. The 5 observables are anti-gravity, sudden and instantaneous acceleration, hyperspeed, stealth, transmedium. I'm pretty sure teleporting qualifies, but in a stranger turn of events, upon a further inspection, when the first orb disappears, you can also see the blinking white light here. But when the original orb disappears, I don't see anything left. There's no drones, light, there's nothing here. Now, when it teleports to the other side upon closer inspection, you can actually see what appears to be something that flies out of it, once again blinking. This baffling video challenges our understanding of what is possible and leaves us questioning the true nature of what we are witnessing in the sky. But what do you guys think? Could it be a magic trick in the sky utilizing some drones? Could this be an advanced technology that we just aren't aware of yet? Or is it something even more mysterious? Shoot me your opinions, guys. Let's get the conversation going and try to figure out this one together. Anyways, that's what I got for you guys today. Make sure to come back this weekend. There's been so much going on in South America.
¿Cómo que la vas? No, ¿me estás jodiendo?
4 triangular crafts were shot upon, and there does seem to be something lurking in this video that needs our attention. Guys, there's actually just too much to talk about, so set your reminders and be sure to come back. A huge thank you to all of you guys for your support. Yes, support. I know you're out there, you that come back on a weekly basis watching these videos. I see it in my analytics. Speak up, speak out. This is your home here, guys. I'm just along for the ride with you. And I will always do my best to respond to every comment. So please don't forget to comment, like, and to share the knowledge across your channels if you haven't already. And if you have any footage or experiences of your own that you would like to share, please reach out. But most importantly, keep questioning and don't forget to keep your eyes on the skies, your cameras ready and steady, because you yourself may be the person to uncover this entire mystery. I'm Larry, signing off. Take care.